In this video, we shall learn the names of wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, and biosphere reserves. Well, a wildlife sanctuary is a protected area which is reserved for the conservation of only animals and human activities like harvesting of timber, collecting minor forest products, and private ownership rights are allowed as long as they do not interfere with the well-being of animals. Next comes National Park. A national park is a much larger area than a sanctuary. It is also a protected area. It is mainly protected for its natural beauty, plants and animals. And the public can usually visit these places. It provides natural habitat to wildlife. Next comes the Biosphere Reserve. It is a large protected area. So compared to a sanctuary or a national park, a biosphere reserve is a larger protected area, and this again is meant for conservation of wildlife, plants and animal resources. A biosphere reserve areas are meant for conservation of biodiversity of a specific area. The entire flora and fauna in this region is preserved in its natural habitat. It also helps in the maintenance of biodiversity culture. Now, these areas were created by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, known as UNESCO, under a program called Man and Biosphere, that is MAB, in 1968. When it comes to a biosphere reserve, it is made up of three main parts. The first part is the core zone, which is strongly protected for the conservation of biological diversity and also to make sure that different types of plants and animals are safe from human impact. The second part is called a buffer zone, and it surrounds the core zones and provides a space for environmental research, recreation and tourism. Then comes the last part. It is called a transition zone, and this area is for local communities that have a hand in managing the resources of the area, that is through farming, fisheries and other non-governmental activities. At present, India has 18 biosphere reserves. Let us learn the names. The first one is the Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve in Himachal Pradesh. It has Pin Valley National Park, and it is located within Laul and Sipti district of Himachal Pradesh. The main animal found here is snow leopard. Then comes Nanda Devi National Park. It was expanded to encompass the Valley of Flowers National Park and a larger buffer zone, and it was renamed to Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Park in 2005, and now it is Nanda Devi Bioreserve. It covers parts of Chamoli, Pithoragarh and Bageshwar district of Uttarakhand. The main animals found here are snow leopard and Himalayan black bear. Next comes the Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve. It is a national park and a biosphere reserve located in Sikkim. The main animals found here is again snow leopard and red panda. Then comes the Dihang Dibang Biosphere Reserve. It lies in Arunachal Pradesh. The Mauling National Park and Dibang Wildlife Sanctuary are located within this biosphere reserve. The reserve spreads over three districts, that is Dibang Valley, Upper Siang and West Siang. The main animals that are found here are Mishimi takin and musk deer. Then comes Dibru Shekhao National Park, Assam. It is located in Dibrugarh and Tinsukia district and was designated a biosphere reserve in July 1997. The main animal found in this region is Golden Langur. Then it is Manas National Park or Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. Now it is a national park. It is UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site, a Project Tiger Reserve, an Elephant Reserve and a Biosphere Reserve in Assam. The main animal found here is Golden Langur and Red Panda. Then it is Nokek Biosphere Reserve. The core area is a national park and it is located in West Garo Hill districts of Meghalaya. UNESCO added this national park to its list of biosphere reserves in May 2009. The main animal found in this region is red panda. Then it is Kutch Biosphere Reserve. It was designated in January 2008. It covers parts of Kutch, Rajkot, Sundarnagar and Patan districts. It is the largest biosphere reserve in India. The main animal found in this region is Indian wild ass. Then comes Panchamari Biosphere Reserve. It lies in the Satpura range of Madhya Pradesh. It is located within the areas of Hoshangabad, Betul and Chindwara districts in Madhya Pradesh. The main animals found here is giant squirrel and flying squirrel. The next one is Panna National Park. Now it is a national park located in Panna and Chhatrapur district of Madhya Pradesh. It is designated as Biosphere Reserve in August 2011. The main animals found in Panna National Park are tiger, chital, chinkara, sambar and sloth bear. Next one, the Achanak Mar and Amarkanthak Biosphere. It lies in the state of Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. In Chhattisgarh, it lies in Bilaspur district and in Madhya Pradesh, it covers two districts, that is Anuppur and Dindori. The main animals found here are four-horned antelope, Indian wild dog and white-rumped vulture. Then comes the Sundarban National Park. It is a national park, tiger reserve and a biosphere reserve lying in West Bengal. The main animal found here is Bengal tiger. In May 1984, it was declared a national park. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site inscripted in 87. It is considered as a World Network of Biosphere Reserve, that is Man and Biosphere Reserve in 2001. Then it is Simlipal National Park, which lies in Mayurbhanj district of Odisha. This reserve is a part of the UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserve since 2009. The important animals found here are gaur, Royal Bengal tiger and Asian elephants. As we come south, it is Sheshachalam Hills. In 2010, it was designated as a Biosphere Reserve. It spreads over two districts of Chittoor and Kadapa of southern Andhra Pradesh. It covers the Tirumala Hills, which is a chain of 7 hills. The main animal found here is slender loris. Next one is the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. It is an international biosphere reserve in the Western Ghats and the Nilgiri Hill ranges of South India. It includes the Madhumalai, Mukurti, Nagarhole and Bandipur National Parks, as well as the Wayanad and Satyamangalam Wildlife Sanctuaries. Next comes the Agastha Malai Biosphere Reserve. It was established in 2001 in Kerala. It lies in Kerala as well as Tamil Nadu. Agastha Malai Biosphere Reserve became a part of the World Network of Biosphere Reserves in 2016. It is also under UNESCO's World List of Biosphere Reserves. The main animals are Nilgiri tahar and elephants. Then we come to the southernmost part of India, the Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park. In 1986, a group of 21 islets lying off the Tamil Nadu coast, that is between Thottukodi and Dhanushkodi, was declared the Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park. The park and its 10-kilometer buffer zone was declared a Biosphere Reserve in 1989. Now it lies 1 to 10 kilometers away from the east coast of Tamil Nadu, South India. It is the core area of the Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve, which was declared in 2001, which includes a 10-kilometer buffer zone around the park, including the populated coastal area. Gulf of Mannar is also known as the Pearl Banks of India. The endangered species found in these regions include dolphins, dugongs, whales, and sea cucumbers. And finally, it is the Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve. The name itself suggests that it lies in the Nicobar Island. Well, in this biosphere lies two different national parks, and they are Campbell Bay National Park, which lies on the northern part of the island, and the Galathea National Park in the southern interiors. The main animals found in this region are Nicobar long-tailed macaque, saltwater crocodile, giant leatherback sea turtle, Malayan box turtle, Nicobar tree shrew, reticulated python, and giant robber crab, also known as coconut crab. Now let us learn the national parks and wildlife sanctuaries of the country. To begin with, Jammu and Kashmir, it is Dachingam National Park, and it is located at a distance of 22 kilometers from Srinagar. The main animal found here is Kashmiri stag. The next one is Hemis National Park. It is a high altitude national park and it lies in the eastern Ladakh region, and it is famous for snow leopard, Asiatic ibex, Argali, which is the great Tibetan sheep. Then we come to Himachal Pradesh. Here it is the Great Himalayan National Park, which lies in Kullu district. The important animals are blue sheep, snow leopard, Himalayan brown bear, Himalayan tahar, and musk deer. Then Maharana Pratap Sagar, also known as the Pong Reservoir or Pong Dam Lake. It lies in Kangra district and it is named in the honor of the king, that is Maharana Pratap. The animals found here are barking deer, sambar, wild boar, and leopards. Then we come to Uttarakhand. Here it is Jim Corbett National Park, and it is located in the Nainital district of Uttarakhand. It is the oldest national park in India and was established to protect the endangered Bengal tigers. So the animals found here are Bengal tigers, Indian elephants, leopards, and Himalayan black bears. Then it is Rajaji National Park. It is a tiger reserve. It lies in the Shivaliks near the foothills of Himalayas. This park spreads over 3 districts of Uttarakhand, that is Haridwar, Dehradun, and Pauri Garhwal. And it is named after C. Rajgopalachari, a prominent leader of the freedom struggle. The important animals here are elephants and chital. Then it is Valley of Flowers National Park. It lies in Chamoli district and it is famous for Asiatic black bear, snow leopard, musk deer, brown bear, red fox, and blue sheep. Now we come to Uttar Pradesh. Here it is Dudhwa National Park. It lies in the Tarai region of Uttar Pradesh. Tarai region is very close to Himalayas and it is the marshy lands. So it is located on the Indo-Nepal border in the Lakhimpur Kheri district. It has a buffer of reserved forest on the northern and southern sides. Major attractions of Dudhwa National Park are tigers and swamp deers. Then it is Chandraprabha Wildlife Sanctuary. It is situated in Chandoli district. Coming to Bihar, it is Bhimband Wildlife Sanctuary. It is located in the southwest of Munger district of Bihar. The animals are tiger, leopard, peafowl, wild bear, rabbit, monkey, chital, and barking deer. Then we come to Jharkhand. Here it is Betal National Park. It is located in Latehar district of Jharkhand. Then Palamau Tiger Reserves lies in Palamau district. It is one of the 9 original tiger reserves in India and the only one in the state of Jharkhand. It forms part of Betla National Park and Palamau Wildlife Sanctuary. Then it is Hazaribagh Wildlife Sanctuary. It lies in Hazaribagh district. It is a home to leopards, panthers, wild boars, tigers, sambar, nilgai, chittal, and many other animals. Then it is Jaldapara National Park. It is situated in Alipurdwar district of northern West Bengal and on the banks of the Torsa river. It has the largest population of the Indian one-horned rhinoceros in West Bengal. Nearby is the Gurumara National Park, known for its population of Indian rhinoceros. It is located in the Jalpaiguri district and it is primarily known for its population of Indian rhinoceros. Kaziranga National Park lies in the Golghat and Nagaon district of Assam. This sanctuary is famous for the one-horned rhinoceros. It is a World Heritage Site and according to the census held in March 2015, the rhino population is 2,401. In Arunachal Pradesh, it is Namdhapa National Park. It is the largest protected area in the eastern Himalayas biodiversity hotspot and it is located in the Changlang district. It is also the third largest national park in India in terms of area. Then it is Mauling National Park. It is located in the Upper Siang district and it is a part of the West Siang and East Siang district. It was the second national park to be created in the state after Namdhapa National Park in 1972. We come to Rajasthan. Here it is Sarsika National Park. Sarsika is a national park and a tiger reserve located in the Alwar district and it is famous for Bengal tigers. Then it is Ranthambore National Park. It lies in Savai Madhopur district. The important animal here is Bengal tiger. Then Keoladio National Park, formerly known as the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. So it lies in Bharatpur district. Then it is Tal Chapar Sanctuary. It is located in the Churu district and it is famous for black bucks and it is a home for variety of birds. Coming to Gujarat, it is Gir National Park. Gir forest lies in the Somnath district and it is very famous for Asiatic lions. Then it is Black Buck National Park at Velavdar and it is situated in the Bhavnagar district. Next one, the Wild Ass Wildlife Sanctuary, which is located in the Little Run of Kutch. In Madhya Pradesh, it is Kanha National Park. It is also a tiger reserve and it is the largest national park of Madhya Pradesh. Here the animals are Bengal tiger, Indian leopards, sloth bear, Barasingha and the Indian wild dog. Next one, the Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary. It is situated on the northern boundary of Mandsaur and Nimach districts in Madhya Pradesh. The animals are Chinkara and Indian gazelle, Nilgai and Sambhar. Then it is Bandhavgarh National Park. It is located in the Umaria district. And again, it is famous for Bengal tigers. Coming to Chhattisgarh. Here it is Indravati National Park. It is located in the Bijapur district of Chhattisgarh. And the important animals are tigers and wild Asian buffaloes. Next we come to Odisha. Here it is Chilka Wildlife Sanctuary. It is located to the southwest of Puri and it is a home to various migratory and local birds such as flamingo, white-bellied sea eagle, Brahmani kite, spot-billed pelicans, bar-headed goose, open-billed stork, etc. In Maharashtra, it is Tadoba National Park. It is also a tiger reserve which lies in Chandrapur district. It is the oldest and the largest national park of Maharashtra. It is famous for Bengal tigers. Then when we come to Mumbai suburban district, it is Sanjay Gandhi National Park. In Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, it is Nagarjun Sagar Sri Sailam Tiger Reserve. It is the largest tiger reserve in India. This reserve spreads over 5 districts, that is Nalagonda, Mehboob Kurnool, Prakasham and Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It is famous for Bengal tigers, Indian leopards, sloth bear and many other animals. Then it is Kaundinya Wildlife Sanctuary. It is an elephant reserve and it is situated in the Chittoor district. Next one is Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary. It is again a protected area located in Kanchipuram district of Tamil Nadu. Then it is Mudumalai National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary. It is also declared as a tiger reserve. It lies on the northwestern side of the Nilgiri Hills, which is also known as Blue Mountains, in the Nilgiri district. In Karnataka, it is Nagarhole National Park. It is also known as Rajiv Gandhi National Park. It is located in the Kodagu district and Mysore district. Here, the important animals are Bengal tiger, Indian leopard, sloth bear, and the striped hyena. When it comes to herbivorous animals, it is Chittal, Sambhar, barking deer, four-horned antelope, and the Indian elephants. The next one is Kudremukh National Park. It is located in the Chikmagalur district. Then it is Bandipur National Park. It is located in the Chamarajanagar district. Here the important animals are Indian elephants, cows, tigers and sloth bear. Finally coming to Kerala. Here it is Periyar National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary. It is again a protected area near a popular place known as Thekkady in the district of Idukki, Kottayam and Pattanamitta. It lies in the middle of the mountain areas of Cardamom Hills. Here the important animals are Indian elephants, gaur, sambhar, wild pig, Indian giant squirrel. Then it is Silent Valley National Park. It is located in the Nilgiri Hills within the Palaghat district. Finally, it is Kumarakom Bird Sanctuary and it is situated in Kottayam district.